Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and confirming it's updated. This avoids compatibility errors. Grant storage and photo permissions so sticker files can be saved and imported. Once done, decide your route. Download a ready-made sticker pack from a contact, create your own images, or use a trusted sticker maker app. Make sure your images meet size and transparency needs. Typically 512 x 512 px with transparent background, because WhatsApp requires specific formats for sticker import. Now you create or collect the actual sticker files. If you're designing, export each image as a 512 x 512 PNG with transparent background and trim excess space. This preserves visual clarity. Once your images are ready, import them into a sticker maker app or use WhatsApp-compatible desktop tools to assemble a pack of at least 3 stickers. Make sure to name the pack and add optional emojis or author info so recipients can search and recognize your set. Once packed, prepare to add to WhatsApp. Finally, add the pack to WhatsApp by tapping Add to WhatsApp in the sticker app. You'll see a confirmation prompt, accept it. Then open a chat, tap the emoji icon, switch to stickers, and locate your new pack to send. If the pack doesn't appear, make sure storage permissions are enabled, verify each file is PNG 512 x 512 with transparency, and update both WhatsApp and the sticker app. If problems persist, restart the device and try re-importing the pack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.